Your machine is outfitted with a HEPA filter. So all of our vacuum exhaust air goes through our HEPA filter, providing clean, fresh air that comes from the system. It's important that we check our HEPA filter on a monthly basis. So every month we want to take a look at this to make sure that it's clean and free of debris. If at any point you have sucked any foam or liquid through the vacuum motor, you'll see it exhausting from the HEPA filter. We definitely want to check our HEPA filter at that point. We're going to simply unscrew the cover, drop the cover, remove the HEPA filter, inspect it, and if it needs to be replaced, we replace it then. So let's get started. All of the exhausting air that comes through the vacuum motor enters into the HEPA chamber and is exhausted out of the exhaust port. Inside of this port is where our HEPA filter sits. To clean out and to inspect our HEPA filter, we're going to simply undo the thumb screw and the wing nut that's on the bottom of the cover. Once that component is off, we're going to simply push down on our HEPA filter cover to remove the cover. The next component to be removed is the long screw. So we simply grab the upper wing nut, we unscrew it, and it comes right off. Lastly, we have one final wing nut that needs to be removed. Once we remove this final wing nut, the HEPA filter assembly will come loose. Inspect for any water damage, heavy buildup of dust, soot, or soil. And just make sure that the system itself is nice and clean and dry. If your HEPA filter looks good, we're going to reassemble it back into the unit. If it is damaged, at this point you would replace your HEPA filter and place a new one back in the chamber. To reassemble the unit, we first start by taking our HEPA filter and our HEPA filter cover. And we're going to insert the unit back up into the HEPA filter cavity. The next step, we take our wing nut. We're going to refasten the wing nut and screw it back in place, locking the HEPA filter into place. We're then going to take our long rod and reattach it back to the post. We'll tighten our wing nut up and lock it back into place. Next, we'll take the HEPA filter cover, put it back in place, take our last wing nut, and tighten down our cover. By ensuring that your HEPA filter is clean, we're going to increase efficiency and effectiveness of our vacuum motor. If we have a clogged or dirty HEPA filter, it can reduce our vacuum suction and power, making it take longer to clean a restroom and not letting your system do the job correctly.